Hey, what's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I'm going to show a lot of screens and keep this one moving. Rewind it and watch it over and over. If you're new, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. But if you've been rolling with me for years now, just hit the like button. We got a lot to get into. I'm going to tell you right now that I'm starting my Black Friday sale right now on Stock Up U, where you can learn all you need to know about crypto. That's in Stock Up U. The coupon code is LEARN, 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 okay? All right, it is the biggest sale I ever had on this platform. All right, let's get right into it. So we could see last night, that's not coming up, right? All right, we'll see what's going on with that in a minute. Let's keep it going. I got a lot to cover. So we had a lot that went on last night, and while we were every time I take a snapshot to even share with you guys, the price just keeps going up even higher. Here we go. That was last night when Dogecoin hit a 180-day high, right? Let's just keep it going. We already know the rich just keeps getting richer. The world's 10 richest people. We'll get back to that later. While you and I are sitting here arguing, this is what happens. All right, I'll go. That's a whole nother. Sui has reached a new, this is 26 minutes ago, all-time high of 285. I believe that Sui could at least minimally, probably 2x from here. Now it could 2 to 5x from here, but we're going to keep it conservative, all right? I don't get into deep price predictions, but I'm just letting you guys know it's not too late for Sui, all right? We'll just keep it going, all right? So look, Shib, look at that, hit 90-day high. It just keeps, it's all happening. What's this? Oh, Uncle Larry, thanks for the coupon code. I purchased the class a few minutes ago. I used the PayPal. Oh, yeah. We'll talk about this a little later too. You could buy now and pay later. We'll get back to that. All right. So I just snapped this and it's already higher. Okay. This is for the hour. Okay. And this was for the day. So you could see 35K for the day. And for the week, 78K for the week I'm up. I'm going to get to something. This is what I want to show you guys. Look at shiba-inu and look at Doge. I told you guys, don't give up your legacy coins. Doge and Shib. Look at what Shib did in the last day. The last day, good people. And I'll show you, since I've snapped that, now look what I'm up for the day, right? Look where I'm up for the week, okay? I'm showing this to you guys to encourage you guys. It's not to brag. It's to show. It's to share with you guys, because those of you that saw last night's video, that is, I hit all-time highs in my portfolio last night, and when I woke up this morning, I was $24,000 richer than I was yesterday. And it's just insane. It's moving so quick. This was a snippet from last night. And I told you guys, Shib is going to wake up, and it hasn't even woken up yet. And then we get all of these massive runs for the week. Shiba-Inu's up 17% for the week. For those of you that said Shib is dead, no, it ain't. And it hasn't even moved yet. But I'm going to tell you when I finish this when it's going to actually really move. Look at Doge for the week, 35%, because they were just moving slow behind. Doge is moving up for two reasons. Elon Musk, the Doge daddy, he's in the White House. It's moving, okay? And even if he wasn't, it would be moving along with Shib. The reason why these two are going to continue to move is just like I said. Older people, or people that weren't in crypto, or don't have to be older people, people that weren't in crypto, never been, have heard of Doge and Shib. And so Bitcoin hit 80K. It hit 80K while a lot of you guys were asleep. And it is absolutely mooning. And you can't even keep up with Bitcoin. Now, this is what I want to show you also. I want you to remember this was $1 million Bitcoin, right? Will we get $1 million Bitcoin? Which we will. 8 to 10 years. It's coming. But this is what I said because it's leading to something. There's going to be some panicking if you see movement now, right? Some people are going to be saying it's the top, it's the top. I don't think so. I don't have a crystal ball. Be careful for spam in the comment section because I'm talking about crypto. There will be plenty of it and we can't keep up with it. Do I think there's money to be made in crypto? Yes, a ton of it. Do I think that we're at the top? No, I don't. So I even told you guys, and this was 2 weeks ago, good people. This was 2 weeks ago, okay? Because I didn't believe it was at the top. I believe there was more. Because I'm going to tell you guys right now that all of this other stuff is not going to show you. Let's keep it real. The former president, when he takes office, that's going to be bullish. When he fire Gary Gensler, that's going to be bullish. If Elon says anything about Doge or crypto, that's going to be bullish. I told you guys last night over what was that? I had it in my notes. Look at this. 280 lawmakers are pro crypto. They came to the Bitcoin conference. One company, Coinbase, I believe it was, donated over 75 million to a PAC, okay? And all of these things are yet to happen. Now, it's not the time to chase. I believe that if there was any time to DCA because we could have a cool off, it is now. It's now. So I also want you guys to know that Webull Pay, for those of you that have a hard time getting pepe, Webull Pay now has pepe and bunk, okay? Pepe and bunk. And I purchased some pepe that I'm probably up. I purchased some 2 days ago when the FOMC meeting was going through this app, and I'm going to see how much it is up, okay? So now let's look at some of the cryptos, right? Let's go. Right now, Bitcoin up 4%. Ethereum has woken up. Look at that. Okay. But look at Doge now. 18%. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. So if you go here, I'm going to jump around because I just want to give you guys the news. I told you guys that Sui is my new altcoin, my favorite altcoin a couple of months ago. Leave me a coffee cup in the chat if you're making money on Sui. And look at Sui. This is not for the week. This is not for the year. This is for the day. 1 day, Sui is up 29%. And there is plenty of room for Sui to absolute moon. Okay, it is absolutely going. Now, Larry, what about Solana? Solana's good too. 5% ain't shady in a day. 5% is not shady in a day, but Sui in that same day is up 29%. That's why I have more money in Sui than I have Solana. Okay, and let's look at Doge. Let's look at Doge right now. Doge 2%, but for the week, look at Doge for the week, good people. 73% Doge is up for the week. And let's go to Pepe, the new boy, the new dog, okay? Let's see what Pepe's done for the week. You see what I'm saying? So now, the new kids on the block are fine, but you cannot sleep. I told you the slower movers will start to move and catch up. That is what I've been trying to tell you guys, right? So now, I want you guys to listen to this. This guy is a charter. I want you guys to listen to this as I continue to show my bullish sentiment, even though we could have a pullback, but that's just like stooping to jump. Listen to this.
Yeah, were you surprised when you saw Bitcoin making new highs this week? It got close to 78,000. Some of your thoughts of where Bitcoin could be headed and some of the action this week?
Yeah, no, Bitcoin has a very strong chart pattern. I've been following it for a while. And when you look at the monthly chart of Bitcoin, it has formed a huge multi-year pattern. In fact, I got long Bitcoin this week, and I expect Bitcoin to to rally out of this technical phase. I believe we're going to see $90,000 Bitcoin, and then we're going up to about 112,000 per Bitcoin over the next, it could be a short window, it could be over the next 6 to 8 months, we could see that target be hit. So the chart pattern for Bitcoin has been bullish for a long time. This, with Trump getting in, I think it's helped giving it a nice pop, a nice push to the upside. It's breaking out. The chart pattern is very strong for an imminent rally, and there's a lot of chaos, a lot of nervousness in the market, and people want to move into this. This is why we're also seeing money. A lot of money's nervous around equities, around currencies, still, just because they're highly priced, and so we are seeing money move into the alternate assets or currencies like Bitcoin and gold right now.
So Bitcoin has now hit 80. It may pull back to 79, but let's just say 80. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF has surpassed its gold ETF, and the FOMO has yet to start, okay? People are FOMOing right now as we speak. The numbers I showed you I was up, they're up even more. And some of you have bigger bags than this. And that's why I just been consistently telling you guys what I see, consistently telling you guys that there was a lot of FUD trying to push the price down so they could buy it up. You know who I feel sorry for? The people that bought the FUD and that are now chasing near the top of this range. Now we're chasing. And we're not chasers here. So if you want the truth, I just look you in the eye and tell you the truth. And we've been making money, okay? You guys know I want a ton of coffee cups in the chat. That's our thing here at Stock Up, okay? Coffee cups in the chat. Before I do go any further, closing remarks, I want you guys that have the class, I want you to know that I'm going to make another video tonight for the swing traders, stop losses, and all of this, so you don't lose any money like last time I did. It's in here already, but I'm going to update it because there's been some updates. For those of you that don't have the class, you can get it cheaper than anybody has ever gotten it in the last year, okay? And just know that if you don't have the money, at checkout, you can use Affirm, Afterpay, or Klarna and pay as you go. Not pay as you go. Buy now, pay later. That's what that note was. Buy now, pay later. I have one of the best. If you don't know, this is what I'm talking about. If you don't know about crypto, and I don't mean just buy and I just bought some, but if you really want to know how to kill it, when to buy, and how to trade, it's all in the class. So this is what this is about. Uncle Larry, thanks for the coupon code. I purchased the class a few minutes ago. I used my PayPal in 4 payments of $90. See there? And so you could buy now and pay later. Don't delay. I started my Black Friday sale early. Don't delay, because the money you can make from now until Black Friday is going to way surpass you waiting. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. Let's see here. Let's look at one more thing. I wanted to point out to all of you that are holding MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is gonna, if this keeps up, MicroStrategy is gonna absolutely moon on Monday. Look at how much Bitcoin they own, 252,000 Bitcoin. But look at their average price, okay? And then we have, that's MicroStrategy. Then, like on last night, BlackRock, look at how much they own. 447,000 Bitcoin. Look at that. Look at that. That's worth $34,341,934,831. So if you're still on the sidelines, there are billions and billions and billions of dollars put into this asset. And when he takes office, I'm telling you guys, it will be too late. Okay? So I always say, invest, learn, test, earn. Invest in yourself, learn, test what you learn, and then earn. So that's why the coupon code is LEARN. Okay? So don't delay. Download that class and just start digging into it. I'm going to be giving you more in the crypto from now, as I'm going to start updating like weekly, maybe adding another one, because we're in the cycle now. Because by Monday, who knows what it could be if there's not a big dump. Now, be careful. because some of these whales have made so much money, they're going to start dumping. So you may see some pullback, but I'm telling you personally, I'm going to take these pullbacks as a sign for me to buy the pullbacks, though I'm in my full positions. Okay. Remember, I showed you guys the chart on all crypto cycles with the election, and I'll do that on a later video, and the halving, the election and the halving, what happens after the election. Crypto is all due for a pump post-election right now, especially this one. And I'm going to leave by this. If there was ever going to be a super cycle in crypto, I would say this would be it from now until next year. This will be the last. I don't think we'll have this much movement going forward. Yes, will we have the cycles? Yeah, we will have the markup, markdown, accumulation, and distribution phases. Yeah, yes, we will, but not as much as this time. And there's going to be a lot of millionaires made, okay? And you guys can see I'm going to be one of them just in my crypto portfolio. Multiple millions, okay? As Bitcoin marches towards $1 million per Bitcoin in the next 8 to 10 years, I believe. This is just what I believe. You got major cities like Detroit now taking crypto as payment. It's happening, okay? So remember, download it, use the coupon code LEARN, okay? Then here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to take the class, take your time, study 1 a day or 2 a day, right? And then I want you to go to Josh's chapter and I want you to learn the charting, all right? In about 2 weeks, by Black Friday, not even 2 weeks, by Black Friday, we're going to have the Lux Algo and we're going to have someone teaching you. We're going to have a whole chapter in that, all right? Love you guys. Have a blessed Sunday. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Leave me some coffee cups.